part 3, I think. All we gotta do is rotate that puller. Hopefully this will work. We're not gonna work a whole lot more on this tonight. Like I said, I have an off-farm job, so I'm gonna have to get going here in a bit. And that is still pretty stuck. I have a feeling once it lets go, it's gonna let go. Sometimes you tap with a hammer, that'll break it loose. I'm gonna trade that ratchet in for an impact wrench. See what happens there. See if I can't break something. Yeah, I think the puller just slipped right off of the pulley. So we're gonna let that penetrating sit overnight and we'll give it a go tomorrow night when I get off work. Thank you again for joining us.